I want to show you how to turn your laptop into an AI powerhouse with local models. So that means your data stays with your machine and no data leaks. First, let's just find a good place. This setup only takes a few seconds, which is good since I'm in a very slippery place and full of dirt. But the only step that requires a connection is the initial one to download the application, and from then on you can do it completely offline from your favorite forest or some underwater bunker. I created a document with extra help which you can find attached in the description, and also there's a code somewhere here on screen. You can follow along with me, or you can use that as a reference in the future. If you notice that anything is missing, let me know in the comments and I'll keep the document updated. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, that would help a lot, and I'll be making more of these. Okay, so let's set this up together. The first thing you'll want to do, go to Chatbox AI.app. So I'll link this in the description as well. You'll want to download. I'm going to choose the Apple Silicon, which is the one I'm running, but choose the best one for you. There's also versions for mobile and Windows, the web version. But to do the offline models, I think the easiest one will be this. So install the application. So I'm going to drag it there. Okay. Start it. Yes. Okay, and you've got your first application. So let me increase this. You can use Chatbox with OpenAI's ChatGPT or Anthropic or any service out of the box through their cloud, but you can also set up with your own API key. So again, with ChatGPT or Claude or any other model. But what we're going to be doing today is actually running the local model. So I'm disconnected, so I'm actually not connected anymore. So I'm going to press the local model, which is the only thing available. And I'm going to choose Ollama, which is one of my favorites. It's very light, very lightweight, and it's pretty good, easy to set up. There's another video if you want to see how to set it up, so you can follow either in the documents, or there's another video linked somewhere here that shows me running that model. Or if you don't like using the terminal, there's also one with LM Studio that shows you how to set this up all through an interface. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select Ollama. Now I have already got Ollama set up, as I said. You can follow more details in the document. Here I'm going to reset to be back to localhost, and then everything should be set up already. There's a few other options, but nothing we need to do now. You can set up your own like system prompt, everything. For now I'm just going to go with the default options. And that's it. You can start chatting. Hello. Actually, one important point is that we need to select a model. So here I'm going to go with the tiny one just to get it running quickly. So I'm running DeepSeek 1.5 billion. Okay, and it's running. So it took a little bit longer at the start because it's booting the model. But once you do it once, it should be pretty fast. So, okay, so that's running. So again, you can start chatting straight away. It will also format your messages correctly, so you can see some of their examples here. So you've got tables, you've got latex, you've got code. So the main reason why I use Chatbox app is actually to be able to run my local models, or even other models like Anthropic, with all the features I like. So that includes web search, includes loading documents, images, everything. But now let me show you how you can use your documents into this model. And this is, I think, when it gets very, very powerful. So here I've got a document for an upcoming video that I'm working on. Let's see. So, and yeah, you can load it in and you can ask questions. Where is the main point of this paper? And send it over. That's it. So now this is a very small model, so obviously it's not going to be incredibly accurate, but I just wanted to run it as fast as possible, especially if you have a better machine. So I've got a MacBook Air M1, but if you've got a better machine, you can probably run larger models. I can run up to maybe 7 billion comfortably. So I find this to be incredibly useful. I use it to prepare for some of the videos I do as well. If you're interested in a video on how I prepare my content using AI, leave a comment below and I'll create one. You can also use it to set up your own custom prompts. So right now I'm not connected to the internet, so you don't see any here, but you can create your own assistants. So this is very simple. It's almost like system prompts only. And then that allows you to repeat some of your prompts often and very simply. So I hope you found that video useful. And if you did, please press the like button and subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. I will continue making more videos like this. So I guess I'll see you soon. Bye.